mysteriously still and mechanical in its tones. Which word there do you think you could say a bit more about if you were going to zoom in on it?
Which line? Lost the line.
Still and mechanical, maybe.
Okay, fantastic. What sort of words are both of those, still and mechanical?
They are describing it like a very. They are related and.
Like a machine, isn't it?
Sorry, Anita, what did you say?
Like a robot. Could it be?
Brilliant. So it makes her seem unnatural.
Yeah.
She doesn't seem human, does she? If she's mechanical, it makes her sound, yeah, like a robot, like she's unnatural. Does it make us think she is like gentle and soft, or does it make us imagine that she's like hard and that she's got a purpose for being there?
Can you repeat your question again? It keeps cutting off, sorry.
No problem. So her being described as still and mechanical, those adjectives, does that make her sound like she's dangerous, or that she's gentle?
She's dangerous.
Both of them.
I think dangerous.
Yeah, I definitely agree. Dangerous with the mechanical bit. That makes her sound unnatural and dangerous. I'm not sure about still. Still, that adjective makes me think that she means no harm. She's just, yeah, that's a really good one, Anita. I love that, the unpredictable idea of her. But could you maybe say that those two adjectives contrast?
So
they
one is
contrast
like,
with each other, don't they?
But then the other one shows like the dark side of it.
Yeah.
That's why it's unpredictable and dangerous, because she might not be as good as she seems.
Fantastic, love it. So do you see, when we're discussing here, you're getting so much more out of the words. You've got so much more now that you can say. You start your point with a general point about the sensory language of her voice, but you've managed to zoom in, and thanks to Hajar picking them out, you've zoomed in on two adjectives, and you're managing to say more about the effect of those adjectives, and then actually even more, you're contrasting the adjectives and saying how they relate to each other. I definitely agree with Jackie's point there. She seems lacking in emotion. Okay, so we've got 2 points there about language, haven't we? You wouldn't need them both, so you can choose which one you think you've got more to say about. You could either write a point about the pathetic fallacy that the writer uses and how that makes it Gothic, or you could start a point about the sensory language, and then you could talk about those adjectives. Okay, so what do we need to do now?
Structure.
Okay, so I'll use a different colour pen. I'll use pink for structure. So, has anyone